CenCal show. So right here with my boy Benito. Run that back turbo.
Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lot of orders, dollars, quarters.
Yeah, I'm gonna start the video right here. I'm in Bakersfield. I think this is my McFarland. Me and my girl came to the CenCal show. They do quarter mile racing, and then they do, I think there's a burnout pit and shit. Yeah, me and my girl pulled up to it. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Alright, so right here with the homie Juan shit, look. I talked to this fool on Instagram for a while. He shakes so hard. Got like a little limited. The Bogarts. Look at that. Damn. The B-Lack in the back. What the fuck with this food truck right here? The homie Andres from the Chicks and Coffee Meet. I'm out in their area now. The homie Choppy. So this is where these foods are from. They had came to the CTI and they went to the Chicks and Coffee Meet that I did. Alright, so we're about to head out right now in a little bit. I think right now they're just waiting on me because I'm going to get some water bottles. But yeah, they got a pretty good lineup out here. They got a good amount of Fords. So that gray one's the homie Diego, and then my truck, and then Choppy, Juan, Andres, and those are homies right there. Alright guys, so we're already on the way to the show. It's literally down the street from where we met up at. But yeah, like out here, well, like there's food right here in front of me, the red truck, his name is Juan. He has a badass truck. He's the one that's like the limited build. He's just badass on Bogarts. I've talked to that fool a lot through Instagram. Probably since I got my truck a little bit after, but we've always chopped it up back and forth on Instagram because he lives all the way out here. And then with the homie Choppy, he went to the trucks and he went to CTI. I met that fool at CTI, him and Andres. And then they stayed over and they came over to the Trucks and Coffee the following day. So yeah, I met up with those fools out here because they're from out here, you know. And then with the homie Diego too, I've talked to that fool a lot through Instagram for a while already. So yeah, but I met them up out here. The shoes are hard too. They got Bogarts on. I love how they look. I know this fool, the Bogarts that this guy has is the Juan. These are hard. I forget what they're called because it's the Diego has the D10s. I know Juan has I don't know what they're called. I think they're race lines. I don't know what they're called. But shit are badass. And then on the red, it looks so nice. Like I really want to do I really would want to do a fucking Bogarts on my truck. But yeah, we're on the way here. There's nothing but freaking fields, man. Me and my girl are not used to this. It's crazy out here. I was telling you it's kind of crazy because over here, like when we left the hotel to come to the meet us up, it was like 20 miles away, but we got here like in 12 minutes. I was like, what the fuck? Over there where we're from, 20 miles away, fucking that's like a 30-minute drive. Alright, so it's right here already. Yeah, these fools are lucky because it's an actual track. It's a quarter-mile track. And that's what they were telling me, that, well, these are pretty close tracks to them. Well, I know one of them is like an hour away. Two of them are like an hour away, but some of them are more closer. Well, they're lucky because we have no fucking quarter-mile track. This is probably the closest quarter-mile track we have to us. And I drove fucking 3 hours to get out here, so yeah, those fools are lucky. We had the Irwindale, but I know they closed it down. As soon as I got my truck, like a couple months later, they closed that shit down. So I never even got to try it. But well, yeah, we had Irwindale, which is probably like a 30-40 minute drive from our house. Maybe less. Yeah, like 30 minutes. The closest track right now we have is the one I did that video on. Went to the one in Perris. But that one's a really short track. You know, it's not quarter mile. It's not even 1/8. It's shorter than 1/8, I think. It's a 1/16 track. So yeah, now you guys can kind of see this fool Juan's truck a little bit better. It's just bad. Yeah, I know my homie Danny from Mondial was gonna pull up. I wonder if they're here already. I was telling my girl that you could right away tell that we're not from here, or that I'm not from here, because everybody out here is dressed like in a certain way. They got like a certain type of pants. I'm over here dressed like fucking some LA dude. And my baggy ass pants. Y'all got like the little starch in their pants and shit. Bro, this fool Choppy's taking his wheels on the tour. He has them everywhere with him, bro. Oh no, I thought you had the B-legs in the back. Huh? I thought he had his B-legs in the bag. You know how you take them like that?
He wants to burn it correctly this time. He said he wants to.
Oh, you're going to the pit?
Yeah, stocks this time, so you better get it this time.
Oh yeah, bro.
This is a kind of
Got the red line racing on. They open at 8?
Fuck. Bro, that line when I went last year, that shit was all the way to fucking to the orchards. That's the last thing we need.
What happened?
Last shot or what?
And now what?
You want me to go down your wheel foot and just like...
Oh yeah, how you do? Clickbait, fool. A little tanga in the back.
Hey, wait, I thought you had an appointment at work. I thought you had an appointment at work. You said you had to work?
Bitch, I said I didn't know till.
Like, your supervisor had you with the fucking fuse belt by your neck like this, huh?
He films over here, bro. Look at this fool.
Bro, I bought a camera
I'm just happy
yesterday.
Choppy came. You're gonna bring up the stocks, not about you.
Light them up. The rims.
Saturday, May 9th. So right here with my boy Benito. We got gang and
Free
them lined up.
promotions. Free promotions on our
Free promo right here,
We gotta
Andres.
meet up with this boy from the 559.
Bro, he was all.
Quarters, wrist, water, rich, porter, yo bitch, wanna, come on, hunters, hey, hummer, stunner, summer, Benny, hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey.
Oh yeah, bro. I need some Bogars, bro. It's so clean.
already hating.
No, I got this fool hating on the camera, bro.
Oh, don't even start, bro. Keep that shit in the stride. Nobody knows that right here. Nobody knows that what I just said about it.
I got my homies out of the trucks too, bro. Like that video we did.
Oh, bro, that shit was hot. When they got the semi on that
Yeah.
shit.
You get the semi.
My homie, he works in that.
yeah.
It's his company truck, bro. So let's do it.
I see someone come and be like crazy in the company truck.
Yeah.
Some shit
Why
like
they
that.
let him use it? They let him use it though.
Well, I think the day that we met him, I was driving it. This one Lobo Bélico had a lot of haters. Paso yo con mi troquita on fire. Hybrid. Hybrid Lobo.
Hey, I'm angry. And this was video where you recorded. What do you mean? I'm drinking all day and I still smack a big old shot of the bro, I hate that bottle. Pass the bottle. Yeah, güey. Oh, yeah. This was like, yeah, güey. Yeah, güey. I was standing like that, güey. You have like a different muscle, güey. You want to sit down, but I'm standing up, güey. So I was fucking late in
Let me see the video. Let me see the
because I
video.
was drunk. And one passing by Benito, I was like, yeah, you see Benito? And he heard me, güey. Followed us. Watch. I think your knees are giving out, güey. Already all that stuff.
Vete a la verga, güey.
Hey, wait, your knees are giving out already. We like this.
Come here, boy, look. Oh, look at that video. Look, I can't even keep it straight on the truck. Look. Side to side. Side to side. Like, what? I was pissed. I was like, bro. Well, my homie wants to mob out late. You know me and Choppy, as soon as we come in, mobbing it, bro. I always say that. I don't hate. I always say, put in my respects, fool. This was I drive 14 hours and back. I'll be mad as fuck, bro. People don't know how to drive, but yeah, wait, no mames, güey. I'm not tripping, I'm not humping. That's why I say my respects, güey. My respects to those fools, because es paciencia, güey. Fuck them. I probably would all these fools. Biting my nails and shit. I'm don't lie, bro. You know you'll be watching his videos too.
Bro, I watch the videos when I'm taking a shit, güey.
Whoa! Just know my boy, me and my homie hadn't ordered headers, and he was like, "Hey, Fri, you saw the compas video? Velocity is kind of batallando." That's when I was like, "Damn."
Bro, but I had the old set, the old ones.
No, but that's what I'm saying. And then no, that's what we're talking about. And I was like, "Damn, I kind of need to order speed engineering ones now." But then I was like, "Heck, I'm gonna order some speed." And then I told my homie from Nevada, because I was gonna ship to his pad, because I didn't know they ship them to the fucking house, bro. And he's like, that's his compa too.
Bro, speed engineering is based in Fresno.
So pretty much, I was gonna order speed engineering because we had talked about it, right?
What's your tag so full?
And my homie Chris from Nevada, that's his compa too, Choppy, he was like, my homie with the red limited is running velocity and I don't know what. And I was like, all right, bro, order velocity. That's how I ordered them.
Bro, no, it's because
Speed engineering solid. I run those headers on my truck. I'm
that
like,
nigga Colorado told me that mine are older set of velocity.
Yeah,
'Cause
they're
the ones
really-
my dad got are different. Fool, they even have the flange to mount up directly to the stock
yeah,
exhaust.
it's like an updated
Yeah.
set.
Oh, I think they came out with thicker flanges way too.
Yeah, they're better, bro. Fuck it.
More heavy duty.
Cause mine struggled. We got the red line hat on. Let's go.
Sun's out, buns out, bum.
It's just cat, huh? You sound sick, bro. He kicked up. Oh no, I'll follow you guys. I'm gonna follow Juancho. I guess we have parked somewhere, and then I guess some fool said they're saving that spot, so we had to go somewhere else. And the homie Andres said, "Fuck that shit, they can't say spots here." I'm gonna just follow these fools over here. The fool Diego. I don't know where Juancho's going.
Hey, bro, let's go right here.
I bet. I'm gonna just be next to you and Juan.
I think it's better, bro, because then there's people always getting, you can't even get out sometimes like that.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, they start cruising and then they get in the way. There's part right here next to me.
I bet. Yeah, I'll park next to you and Juan. Alright, so we already made it inside of the show. We're just gonna use the restroom real quick, but it's pretty active so far. I don't know when. I'm pretty sure more she's gonna start pulling up. But over there's a track, you know? For racing. So the track's over here, and then we posted up somewhere over there. Andres says this shit is active, so we're gonna see how it gets down.
Wave, pop it, I been sipping acorn, rich nigga on A1.
I don't open to 11 and it's 10. No, 9:50, about to be 10. This was about to be the first one in there. So who's the pit crew, fool? Who's the pit crew? The pit crew.
I'm right here, bro.
Andres también, no?
Nah, I'm not a llantero right now. I'm chilling.
The beer still ain't kicking yet?
Yeah, I'm gonna take them out. You're gonna take
I'm chilling with Benito today.
He got the bowl. I think I left it in your truck.
You're fine, good.
Bitch, I left it right there next to the impactor. Why the fuck would I not leave it right there by the impactor?
Yeah, grab it.
Let me go get it on the scooter.
En
Benito,
putiza.
thoughts? I left the bolt for the impactor right next to the impactor.
That's like saying you grab the jack, but without the tool to lift it up. Yeah, you stuck more.
Yeah, those wheels had a light or what?
Yeah, they just get stuck on there. How about
Give it a little kick with the boots, my boy. Cowboy.
Que se caiga la troca.
Pick the top of it.
But not too hard, bro.
Well, you gotta go like this, look, de atrás, güey.
Yeah, so it can tilt up.
A ver tú, Pri. Sale una patada. Kung Fu Panda.
A ver, Pri, échale una pinche Jackie Chan.
This one takes a while though. The other side's easier.
See, you guys have
That shit ain't even the fucking right.
You just gotta kick it, bro.
It is, wait, just that.
Alright, bro.
What happens to your be like, right? Unless you're paying for it. Nah.
Bro, this would just.
What the fuck is on this?
Damn.
Can mine get sucked like that too, bro? What the fuck?
Bro, Benito has pacas, bro. He'll just buy another set for you.
Hell no, bro. Fuck that shit. Lower it, he says.
Hey, Diego, can you lower it?
Do a karate kick, fool. Así de lado. This is aquí the top of it, no?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
But why does it go in so fitted way?
There you go, P. Oh, mija.
Ah, pinches patadas de karateca futbolista, güey.
Want to carry it?
That's just hella light, bro.
Let me see if they're worth the bread, fool. You can do it with one hand or not?
Yeah, you can. Wait up, bro. We need to record that.
Oh, you could do it with one hand.
Bro, that shit weighs at least like 7 pounds. You should do the front so the front is fucking way lighter.
Getting food real quick because we're kind of hungry. We haven't eaten nothing all day. We've been up since like, what, 5 in the morning. We're hungry. We got food. After that, we're going to go see the homie Choppy. Go do he's the first in line at the pit. So they're going to do a pit. And then whenever the race starts, they're right here. So we're going to come at the bleachers and watch people race and shit.
Baby, knocking that A-con, baby, butter pecan. Bringing that on a refund. Breaking up until I see the sun. I put a bitch on the dick. Keep me get on her knee. She only call me for 6. Speed in the bed. Just take my foot on their neck. Finna put on the wrist. Ain't too bad with the X. So gotta keep it kind. I'm never running no dash. What the hell, why don't we get my mind? I'm just sticking it deep in the gut. Know if you with it or what. Got your body, I keep it on mine.
Oh my god, this is an actual track, bro. This is a real track. This is beautiful. I wish we had this over there. Oh look, Juan, hey! So the homie Juan's about to race. He's full bolt-ons, AML tune, 2-wheel drive. So this shit might spin my chin. He's right on with the Bogarts I was recording. We're gonna see how his shirt do. He wanted to race. I bought the race ticket too, but I'm not gonna race my truck. I need to have fucking gas. I need enough gas to go back to Bakersfield. Because my truck is only tuned on 85. And I fucking, there's the only nearest 85 stations in Bakersfield. Bro, you did a pretty good pass up for the first one. Yeah.
Bro, he did a badass pass.
I ran the walk fence.
Yeah, that was good.
I fucking stepped at the line. I was trying to
Yeah, he. We gotta record that shit doing a pool. That shit's probably crazy. Beautiful. I'm gonna get a Camaro one day too. I love Camaros. I've always wanted a Camaro. My camera's there, so my girl's recording on her all the time. It's a good thing that she invested in both offs. My girl's the one that's bought both offs. Yeah, we're watching the races. The homie said it still gets more active, so then I guess there's a grupo coming up after. We'll keep watching the races. We're gonna go record some, because there's some nice ass cars here. There's like a lot of nice shit. We're gonna come record after. I'm gonna go record some of the nice cars after. Yeah, I'm really on 85. That's why I'm probably not gonna race, because I only have like 80 miles left, and I got the nearest E station is 20 miles away, but just to be safe, you know.
Come to the spot and the feeling the splash. I don't fuck with these niggas a dub. Money, huddle, gotta, cutter, lotta, orders, dollars, quarters, beats, water.
He's trying to go home already. It's kind of shit. Look, come on, red. My neck is all red. I don't think so. Alright, so right now we're gonna go get some gas because I literally have no fucking gas, so I have to cruise it there. We're gonna double check and ask the people we can come back in that we're just gonna get gas.
Who was that beamer to that guy?
Come on,